Building my first mechanical keyboard. Greetings all. Today we're diving into an interesting DIY project that's both creative and functional, a mechanical keyboard crafted with passion by Marcin Juskiewicz. From the initial design to the final assembly, this project is full of insights for anyone interested in tech or simply looking to create something unique. The journey starts with an affordable Ultimate Pico RP2040 board, which acts as the brain powering Marcin's keyboard masterpiece. This tiny yet powerful device costs a mere €2.7 from AliExpress, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious tech enthusiasts and DIYers. Marcin's approach to assembling his first mechanical keyboard is both cost-effective and resourceful, using readily available components like diodes and Raspberry Pi Pico for the core technology. This project beautifully showcases how you can create something from scratch with a limited budget by utilizing simple electronic parts and some good old crafting skills. One of the standout aspects of this build is its adaptability to different projects, including future endeavors in orthogonally split keyboards or even designs featuring additional features like volume knobs. This flexibility indicates Marcin's commitment not only to creating his first mechanical keyboard, but also to exploring and expanding upon it. In conclusion, this project serves as a fantastic example of how anyone can start with basic knowledge and gradually progress into building more intricate tech projects using creativity and perseverance. It also reinforces the fact that even small-scale DIY projects like these can be immensely rewarding both personally and practically. So if you're itching to make something yourself, or simply want some inspiration for your next creation, Marcin Juskiewicz's mechanical keyboard project is well worth checking out. Remember to follow for more news.